It's time for your favorite show, Crafting with Coffee. Today, I am here to show you a DIY craft. Good morning. A lot of times you have in the country, you've got to deal with bugs. I'm sure they all have a purpose. Gnats, horseflies, deer flies, mosquitoes. Here's one method. You take your map gas, do this spray cleaner, but that only really works kind of like sniping, isn't it? So, okay, get yourself a container, right? Mouthwash. The next ingredient is beer. So we got 48 ounces here, and we've got 48 ounces here. This is 16 ounce containers, and is Epsom salt. So they want 3 cups of Epsom salt in this recipe, 16 ounces, give or take. So the blue mug, that's about 16, 32, 36 or so. They wanted flat, stale beer. And I know Bud Light pretty much comes from the factory flat and stale. We are definitely flat and stale. All right, now, the next ingredient that is recommended for this process is lavender. So I stole my wife's essential lavender oil. You do 17 drops of lavender and 5 healthy squeezes of Dawn dishwashing liquid, about 5 ounces. So then you want to mix this stuff up. What you want to do is dissolve that Epsom salt. There's that. Now they put it in one of these. We're not going to do that here. So let's pour this in the top. Okay, so just in review, what we've got here is 48 ounces of mouthwash from the dollar store, 48 ounces of the cheapest beer that you can find, a large container to mix stuff in, 17 drops of lavender, 36 ounces some salt, 5 ounces of Dawn dishwashing liquid. We're gonna go take a look at how to apply this. I'll see you out there. This is my beer store. So I'll let you know how it goes. You guys have a great day.